Okay, guys. Well, welcome back to the shit show. This is not my usual video, and I know it's kind of dark. It is late tonight, and I'm doing this best way I can. So we have a stereo that I've spent a lot of meticulous time wiring up. I got my uncle to help even, and that part I won't have in the video just because it's been a multi-day thing, and it's been after my injury, and there's just been a lot going on. So we're just kind of I wanted to get something put up, so we're just going to go through the install. It's not anything special, really. So just got to start by pulling this crap out. It's been a long time since I posted something, and it sucks because I really missed posting, and everything's just been so goddamn crazy. Hopefully I can just move this off to the side. I really don't want to have to unplug it all. It's a pain in the ass to undo all the clips. Ah, you're joking. That's on my light. I need that plugged in. Well, we can try and work around it. I know that. I'm not getting much out of that. I can't fucking see how that does up, and of course my only light is taken up over there. Whatever. We're gonna have to do it like this, because I can't. There's no other way. Undo this one. And this stereo was a gift my uncle got me for Christmas. These are all just 7 mil. Damn, someone's truck sounds like shit out there. As I was saying, this one is a nice touchscreen unit. It's got aux, Bluetooth, all that shit. Might have to cut off those plastic tabs. If this new one doesn't fit, I'm going to lose my fucking mind. Because I've gone to put this in like 3 or 4 times. And every time I've got a fucking issue with doing it. Oh, why won't this fucking stereo come out, man? Okay, let's move the new one over. Okay. Now with both those in, and not this extra 12 volt, let's find my keys. Cross your I's and dot your T's, my friend. No head unit. Still no head unit. Okay, now my suspicion is because that 12 volt needs to be plugged in. Well, let's just connect that and then turn the car over and see if it works. Oh, I saw it for a minute. Okay, so it does work. That's perfect. And it does need that for power in general. Okay, so let me come back over to your guys' side. We'll fully install it, feed that wire through, and I'll just put in that panel down there. We've already got the thing, so it won't be an issue. Sorry for constantly bumping the mic. Okay, now let's come back over here to you guys. So now we have to put the head unit back in, and I have to feed this goddamn power wire. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, I can't show you guys much of this shit. As I said, this is not our normal video. There, pull the power wire back through. Loop it in. No, I don't want you in the fucking water. Specifically, I don't want you in the water. Now, we had so many problems with the frame and the fitting and like how is it all going to go into the OEM plastic that's there. Then we ordered the wrong fucking one to fit it in, and that was a nightmare too. Come on. I know there's fucking room back here. Just gotta find where the wires are going. Okay. This one has to go over. This one has to go in. Okay. Oh, Christ, guys. I've gone through so much horse shit just to get this to work. I missed fucking making videos. It was so crazy, all that health scare stuff. Not being able to post. I appreciate all you guys, you know, that have stuck through this far, and all you guys that comment on my shit, you know. Do this for everyone, not just myself. Couldn't do it without you guys. Enough of my sentimental bullshit, though. Ow. Fucking blisters in my palm. Lift that up. Put that one in. Oh, it's not going to go in because of the top of that, isn't it? Sorry, I know I'm bumping you guys around, but there's not much I can do. Yeah, because that's there. Okay, well, what I'm going to have to do is leave this like this, because I don't have the time to take that apart and cut it out. It's really dark right now. It's already late as is, so what I have to do is cut out 2 of the corners on the plastic here, which means I'll have to take this all back out. Like, that goes in and that goes in, but it can't go in on the top there because of the 2 plastic pieces. You'll have to forgive the hundreds of cars going by. So in the passenger fuse panel here, you can see that I have the 12-volt wire for the new stereo coming into the sunroof panel, and I made a little jumper, which I'll see if I can get a picture of. If I can't, see if I can get in there for you guys. It's just a piece of metal jumping off the sunroof fuse, and then it just feeds in from back here through down, and I just stuck my hand up there and pulled it through, and then just put it on there. And it works with the key, 12-volt ignition source. I think I've said that like 30 times, but that's how I did it. Okay guys, so now that it's fully installed, it's being a pain in the ass. Now it's on video. It's nice and flush. We got a face mount and it works perfect. Got the top 2 these fixed. I just had to trim some off the top of the stereo itself. And yeah, it's perfect. Bluetooth, FM, all that shit. That's the reverse camera, which I didn't set up, and I don't know if I will. I assume it has onboard storage, not too sure. Wheel controls, phone link, file explorer, but I only use the Bluetooth. It's pretty nice. I'm really happy with it. Well, with all that done, that's pretty much the gist. I appreciate you guys coming this time to see how things are, and sorry for taking so long after my injury. You know, I'm glad to be back and posting again. So with all that being said, I want to thank you guys for checking in, and I'll see you next time.